If you've been watching mortgage rates lately, you've probably asked yourself one question: is now the right time to refinance your mortgage? The answer isn't the same for everyone, but once you understand a few key factors, you'll know whether refinancing could actually save you money. First, check your current interest rate. If today's refinance rate is lower than the one you're paying now, your monthly payment could go down, and even a 1% difference could save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Next, think about how long you plan to stay in your home. Refinancing usually comes with closing costs, so if you're planning to sell your home or move within the next year or two, you may not stay long enough to recover those costs. But if you're staying for several more years, refinancing could be a smart financial move. One more thing: don't decide based only on a lower monthly payment. A smaller payment sounds great, but you also need to look at the new loan term, the total interest you'll pay, and any additional fees, because a lower monthly payment can sometimes cost you more in the long run. So, should you refinance your mortgage right now? If today's interest rates are lower than your current rate, your credit score is in good shape, and you plan to stay in your home for several more years, refinancing is definitely worth considering. Before making a final decision, compare offers from multiple lenders. Don't focus only on the monthly payment. Calculate how much you'll actually save over the life of the loan. Remember, smart financial decisions aren't about following trends. They're about understanding the numbers, comparing your options, and choosing what works best for your financial future.